In this video, we are going to learn Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product between two sets A cross B is set of all possible ordered pairs with first element is taken from set A and second element from set B. Example, A cross B is equal to A comma B and A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Another example is that if A is equal to ABC and B is equal to X comma Y. Now Cartesian product of A, B is take first element of A and first element of B, that is AX, first element of A and second element of B, that is AY, same as second element of A and first element of B, BX, second element of A and second element of B, that is BY, same as CX and CY. The important thing is that if A is equal to phi and B is equal to phi, then A cross B or Cartesian product of AB is equal to phi. If there are m numbers of elements in set A and n numbers of elements in set B, then there will be m into n elements in A cross B. To understand this, we take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5, 8. We know that there is only 3 elements in set A and 2 elements in set B. So number of elements in A cross B is 6. 3 cross 2 is equal to 6.